Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up the Rapid Streamz app to your Firestick. The whole process will be pretty easy and it's gonna take you just a couple of moments. So now the first step is you'll need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on the device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it, and here is that app, which you need to get to the device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings, so let's do it together. You click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn these options on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on the device. There it is, let me open it. And now there is the Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Belgium right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it, and then let's head to the Downloader, finally. So we open the Downloader application, and here in the search bar, you'll have to start entering a code to download the Rapid Streamz app to the Firestick. And the code is going to be 8277220. So once again, it's 8277220. That's the code you have to enter. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds in here until the download actually starts on your device. Or just click that blue button if it doesn't start automatically. And now the download has fully started. Just wait for a couple of moments until it finishes. There you go, then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished on your Amazon Firestick device. Then don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, so click on it, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Firestick device. So simply click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on the device. And now let's go back to a list of applications on the Firestick. Here it is. Let's open it. And now there at the bottom you'll find the Rapid Streamz application now. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then let's finally open this application. Click continue in here. Then scroll down and click decline or accept, it's up to you. It depends on whether you want to see ads or be ads free. In my case, I will click decline. Then press on the get started button. And here you have to press on update now because it seems a new version of the app is also available. So click update, click allow. Now you just need to wait for a couple of seconds and then we should go to the settings. So click on the settings button in here, click on install unknown apps. There you'll have to locate Rapid Streamz, turn this option on. This option is needed so the application could update itself when downloading the newest version of the application for you. Then scroll down, go back and reopen the application again. Click on the installation button now, click install again, and just wait a little bit. Now the app should be fully updated, so click done and just reopen the app on your Amazon Firestick. And now finally you get access to the Rapid Stream application with live TV and live sports channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time.